Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Aisha Umar.
And I am Dino Ali.
And we welcome you to the red carpet of the 20th Lux Style Awards.
So you're here, 20th anniversary show, LSA.
Yes.
How does it feel, dude? 20 years.
20 years,
Yeah.
it feels amazing. I mean, I did my first Lux before anything of mine got released. Before Bowl came out.
Wow.
Before Humsafar. So I was still a VJ,
Yeah,
you
so
could say.
ages ago, yeah.
Ages ago.
Wow.
10 years ago.
Yeah, of course.
But so long association and it's been amazing.
All the youngsters that are out there, what advice would you like to give them? What would you like to say? Because they aim to be here one day, you know what I mean?
My experience is that, and I've done that with Lux as well, and
Of
I've
course.
done that many, many times. You have to stick to what you believe in.
Absolutely.
You have to do what
I agree.
you want to do.
Yeah.
उस वक्त आपको डर लगेगा क्योंकि आप देखेंगे शायद इर्द गिर्द लोग वो चीज़ें कर रहे हैं जो आपको नहीं कर. You lose out on something, but in the long run it pays
Yeah,
back.
because you're true to yourself.
You don't have to tread the path that everybody.
Yeah, be
treads.
yourself.
Yeah. Take the
Absolutely.
path untaken. Yeah.
Myra Khan,
Yeah.
superstar
No,
Myra Khan,
no,
dude.
your friend, Myra
I
Khan.
know. Guys, keep watching LSA. Thank you so much for
Thank
talking
you.
to me.
Thank
We'll
you.
see you guys in a bit. One of the most sought after actresses on television right now. और मैं बड़ा excited हूँ कि इस वक्त मेरे साथ मौजूद है यमुना ज़ैदी हमारे साथ मौजूद है. कैसी हैं आप?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप? ठीक
बिल्कुल
हैं?
ठीक ठाक. Welcome to LSA 2021.
Thank you.
Congratulations, 3 nominations.
Yes.
मतलब कि कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा. 3 nominations कुछ ना कुछ तो हाथ में आएगा.
I don't know, no. इस हवाले से तो खैर मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकती, but I'm
ये
really
तो होगा ना.
happy.
3 nominations. Aisha's laughing over this.
I'm really
हाँ, ये हो सकता है.
happy
क्यों नहीं हो
and
सकता?
I'm
सच्ची
very
बात है.
excited.
No, and we are very happy and excited for you. जाने से पहले जो आपके चाहने वाले हैं, जो fans हैं, उनसे क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Fans और चाहने वाले, उनको तो बस मैं कहूँगी कि आप लोग के लिए हम बहुत मेहनत करते हैं और बहुत काम करते हैं और आप लोग के प्यार का बहुत शुक्रिया हमेशा और just keep watching my work and thank you.
Wonderful. यमुना ज़ैदी हमारे साथ मौजूद. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. Thank you so much and good luck for tonight, dude.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Mr. Ahad Raza Mir, the man of the hour. Welcome to the 20th Lux Style Awards.
Thank you so much. It's great to be here.
You're nominated for two serials and 2 characters. Wow. Has that ever happened before?
Nope. So I'm very lucky.
But tell me, which character and which drama are you more confident about?
I think both Aman and Saad got different kinds of attention, and I have a feeling if I'm to win that there's one that I'm rooting for, but I won't say who it is because I don't want to jinx it.
When was the first time you attended a Lux Style Award?
You know, the first time I attended Lux Style Awards was probably 2016.
Were you nominated?
No.
You were
I was nobody.
Did you ever
I
think?
went and sat in the back. Yeah.
Did you ever think that
No.
literally 5 years later, you were going to be standing here nominated for 2 characters?
No, I don't think I would never have expected that.
Great. Well, enjoy your night,
Thank
enjoy
you.
the show, and
Thank
I
you.
hope you win whichever category you are rooting for.
I hope so. Yeah, let's
Okay.
see. Let's see.
Okay, great.
इस वक्त मेरे साथ जो मौजूद हैं इनका नाम पूरी दुनिया जानती है. जहाँ जहाँ पाकिस्तानी मौजूद हैं उन सबको पता है कि ये कौन है, बिकॉज शी इज़ अ नेशनल आइकॉन. शी इज़ द वन एंड ओनली मीरा. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसी हैं आप?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, थैंक यू सो मच.
मुझे ये बताइए कि LSA लक्स स्टाइल अवार्ड्स 20th एनिवर्सरी शो है. 20 साल हो गए माशाल्लाह इस अवार्ड शो को. क्या कहना चाहेंगी इस मौके पे?
बस यही कहना चाहूँगी कि जब मैं अम्मी के पेट में थी तो वो चाहती थी मैं लक्स स्टार बनूं, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है. लक्स के साथ मेरा फैमिली वाला रिलेशनशिप है.
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही. और आप भी माशाल्लाह बहुत खूबसूरत
Thank you
लग रही
so
हैं.
much.
You look lovely in your
Thank
dress
you,
today, because
बहुत
even
शुक्रिया.
not only just me, मैं तो बल्कि यहाँ पर दूसरे लोग भी कह रहे थे कि मीरा जी का ड्रेस कमाल है. Thank you so much कि आपने
हाँ.
हमसे बात की. खुश
और
रहें.
पॉजिटिव हो जाएं,
बिल्कुल.
अच्छी सोच रखें, खूबसूरती का रिश्ता कायम रखें.
बिल्कुल.
खूबसूरती का रिश्ता बनाएं, जैसे मेरा रिश्ता है लक्स के साथ. मेरी
Wonderful.
खूबसूरती का राज सिर्फ और सिर्फ लक्स.
सिर्फ और सिर्फ लक्स. Wonderful मीरा, thank you so much आपने हमसे
Thank
बात की.
you.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you.
रेशम जी से रिहर्सल्स पे भी इंटरेक्शन होता रहा है. आप आज परफॉर्म कर रही हैं रेशम जी, बिकॉज यू नो यू बिन टू ऑल द लक्स स्टाइल अवार्ड्स. एक तो आपका फेवरेट लक्स स्टाइल अवार्ड्स कौन सा था, पहले ये बताइए.
फर्स्ट वाला,
द फर्स्ट.
उसकी रीज़न क्या थी? नदीम साहब वॉज देयर, बाबरा शरीफ वॉज देयर, और वो उन्होंने एक बीच पे किया था सेट जो लगा था, और बहुत अच्छा हुआ था लक्स अवार्ड्स.
आपके अलावा आपकी फेवरेट लक्स गर्ल कौन है?
मेरी फेवरेट लक्स गर्ल है माहिरा खान.
Mine too. अच्छा, who has designed your outfit?
इकबाल हुसैन.
It is stunning. Well, have a great night and good luck.
One of the most sought after faces in the fashion world, looking amazing. This
Thank
dress,
you.
dude. How does it feel being nominated at the 20th anniversary show?
It's quite nerve-wracking, and I have my fingers, hands, legs, everything crossed, and I'm hoping I win. I don't want to look this good and not win, you know.
हाँ यहाँ इतनी मेहनत अगर कर रहे हैं तो एक award तो बनता है. You know what I mean? Like, but so like obviously you know you've been in the game for a while now.
Yeah.
A lot of young girls are coming through. You know you have people like you and Nimra and all these other models
Yeah.
that have been working for a while. The other young upcoming female models
Yeah.
who want to join the fashion world, any advice for them?
Oh, please do not take this work for granted. This is like
Absolutely.
any
Yeah.
other job. Be punctual, be professional. Just stick to good work ethic.
Absolutely. Mushkaleen, thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you, Dino.
Dude,
Look at you. You look so sharp yourself.
यार मतलब मुश्क, you know, any given Sunday वाला scene है ना, all day, every day. We have the ever gorgeous, the beautiful, always stunning Nadia Hussain with us right now on the red carpet. कैसी हैं आप?
Thank you. I'm good. You know, how are you?
Very well. LSA 20th anniversary program. You have all obviously been around for so long. What would you like to say?
I feel कि you know this journey is surreal. I mean मुझे
Right.
यकीन नहीं होता है कि
कि
20 साल
I know.
हो गए हैं और मैं उस जर्नी का हिस्सा from day one रही हूँ.
Right, of course.
इस चीज़ की मुझे बहुत खुशी भी है और मुझे एक shock value भी मिलता है. Oh my God, 20 years.
I know.
So yeah, it's been wonderful.
It's been wonderful. I mean, obviously, you know, you've seen so much. You are one of the top, figures in fashion. What advice would you like to give to the newcomers, especially in the world of fashion, who are nominated today?
I think कि competition is very cutthroat. It is getting more and more difficult with
Absolutely.
social media. अब जो है वो इतने लोग आ गए हैं, इंडस्ट्री में इतने लोग
Yeah.
हैं, social media इतना exposure देता है और लोगों को भी competition इतना ज़्यादा है, तो मुश्किल हो गया है time.
मुश्किल हो गया है, but you know, it's massive kudos to LSA for recognizing these really talented youngsters who are nominated today.
Yes.
I think it's wonderful, and it really shows that LSA has come a long way, giving chances to so many people, giving chances to people like us, dude. You know,
Yes, yes.
we've been in the market for so long, and it's so good that these newcomers are getting that chance as well.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
अब मुझे ये बताइए, before we go, what would you like to say to the team of Lux Style Awards who obviously have, you know, touched this milestone? क्या कहना चाहेंगे उनसे?
I would like to say many congratulations, and I'm so happy that I've been a part of this journey with you guys from day one. I feel very proud, and you know, like I feel that I own it. Yeah.
Wonderful. Nadia Hussain, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने का.
Thank you.
Enjoy the show.
Thank
you. Young stunners इस वक्त मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं. आसिम अजहर, we got Ramis, we got Meera. How is everybody doing?
भाई बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. आई थिंक आप इन दोनों हमारा पहला फर्स्ट टाइम एट लक्स स्टाइल अवार्ड्स है ना, एंड साथ परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं.
Okay, now obviously you guys, all of you guys are friends.
Yeah.
So like जब बात हुई कि यार you guys have to have the opening act that will start the program.
जी.
So what was that vibe like? What was that excitement कि oh yeah okay guys let's all do it together? What was the first reaction?
बारी बारी बताते हैं रिएक्शन.
बताएं क्या रिएक्शन था boys?
पहले हमारा ये था कि कैसे
होगा ये?
कैसे होगा ये?
होगा कैसे?
ये
होगा
कैसे
वर्ड
यार?
प्ले कैसे होगा
यार ये ऐसे कैसे? You know?
ये किया हमारा एक वो था.
हाँ. Okay.
I think double digits में हमारे total performers हैं stage.
हाँ एक्चुअली
Yeah, quite a lot. Yeah.
बट शाउट आउट टू बिलाल मकसूद भाई.
Absolutely, Bilal Maqsood.
उन्होंने जिस तरीके से इस सब चीज़ को ensemble को एक साथ जोड़ा
Yeah.
और बिल्कुल भी कहीं से भी स्ट्रेच नहीं लगा, बहुत ऑर्गेनिक कर दिया.
Yeah, it
सो
looks-
शाउट आउट टू हिम.
Guys, congratulations on all your success. You guys are amazing.
Thank you so
and
much,
best
Dino
of
bhai.
luck for the show. Thank you so much for talking to me. मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं आपकी टेलीविजन की एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस जो कि लाखों दिलों की धड़कन है. शी इज़ अ ब्रिलियंट एक्ट्रेस. लाइक मैं खुद फ़ैन हूँ इनका. तो वंडरफुल अज़ीका डैनियल मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं. कैसी हैं आप? ठीक हैं?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक. थैंक यू सो
And you're
मच.
looking lovely, माशाल्लाह today.
Thank
किनको
you.
आपने पहना हुआ है पहले ये बताइए. Who's the
I'm
designer?
wearing Zuria Dur today.
Yeah, very nice.
Thank you.
Lovely. Okay, अज़ीका की 20th anniversary program है. कैसे महसूस करिए यहाँ आके और क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो लोग इस वक्त आपको देख रहे हैं?
It's an absolutely amazing, wonderful night tonight, and I am so happy to be here.
और by the way, I want to give a massive shout out to LSA कि उन्होंने न्यूकमर्स को इतना मौका दिया है कि वो नॉमिनेट हुए और नए लोगों को मौका मिला है. उनको क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो नॉमिनेटेड और नर्वस फील कर रहे हैं?
Like enjoy the night and best wishes, best of luck to everyone. And LSA ने इतना चांस दिया न्यूकमर्स को, बहुत बड़ी बात.
Wonderful. Azeeka Daniels, thank you so much. आपने हमसे बात की. Looking lovely as always.
Thank you.
Great. We'll be right back, guys. Keep watching. जिस तरह अक्सर सेलिब्रिटीज आपको नजर आते हैं सीरियस एटीट्यूड में, ये लोग भी सीरियस एटीट्यूड में आपको मिलेंगे. अभी बिल्कुल भी नहीं हंसेंगे. ऐसा ही है. ठीक है. Okay, मेरे साथ इस वक्त मौजूद है ताबिश हाशमी. Amazing, has been on the show throughout, and of course Natasha Baig, the wonderful performer who's going to be performing tonight on the show. आप दोनों जो है अपने काम में माशाल्लाह बहुत माहिर. कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आज LSA का हिस्सा बनकर और यहाँ पर आकर?
अच्छा.
Thank you. Okay, आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं?
बहुत अच्छा.
Is there a particular celebrity that you were very happy to meet?
I was happy to meet everyone because this is my first LSA, and it was, it was an experience to see all of them in real life. And I had this image that nobody would talk to me, but they were, a newbie.
That didn't stop you though.
No, it didn't. Why would it? So, but they were all very courteous. मतलब सबने कहा कि हम आपको जानते हैं. हम तुम्हें जानते हैं बच्चू.
ये जानते
यही रिएक्शंस थे.
कोई ऐसा सेलिब्रिटी जिससे मिलके बहुत खुशी हुई हो या जिसको आप देखते थे और बोलते थे यार आज मैं इनसे मिल रहा हूँ, मुझे मजा आ रहा है इनसे?
अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं नाम ले दूं आपका तो डीनो भाई.
थैंक यू. यही मैं इंतजार कर रहा था. थैंक यू ताबिश. तो मैंने लिख के भी दिया था. पता नहीं तुम इतना इंतजार क्यों कर रहे थे. नताशा, वेरी क्विकली, यू आर विद आसिम अजहर, यंग स्टनर्स एंड ऑल दीज वंडरफुल आर्टिस्ट, एंड मुझे बताएं कि कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं एक तो परफॉर्म करके LSA पे, बिकॉज यू हैव परफॉर्म्ड एट LSA बिफोर. तो ये बताइए कि आज कैसा लग रहा है 20th एनिवर्सरी शो पे? Yes.
आज की जो स्पेशल बात है लक्स स्टाइल अवार्ड्स की वो ये कि 20th एनिवर्सरी और उसमें लक्स ने मुझे याद किया that is the best thing. And I'm doing this performance with all these talented lot. तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है और इस performance के चक्कर में ना bonding भी बहुत अच्छी हो गई है. तो I'm hoping कि जो हमारे जो म्यूजिक जो इंडस्ट्री है ना वो इसी तरह connected रहेगा और बिलाल भाई के साथ काम करके मुझे बहुत
Is there a
मज़ा आया.
particular nomination or artist that you are very excited for or to see और जिसको आप चाहते हैं कि जीते? Is there any particular favorites?
I think I would like to see singer of the year. मुझे देखना है कौन बनते हैं और अगर अब्बास अली खान जीत जाए तो फिर क्या ही बात है.
आपका क्या कहना है ताबिश? Is there a particular nominee or a particular artist that you want कि जो जीते आज?
मैं चाहता हूँ ढीनो भाई कि आप जीतें अगर आप नॉमिनेट होते तो.
Thanks यार.
ठीक है.
How safe यार.
वो इशारे करे जा रहे हैं. मैं नहीं चाहता कि ये काम भी मुझे करना पड़े अगले साल. नताशा जो अच्छे आर्टिस्ट हैं वो सिर्फ परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, नॉमिनेट नहीं हुए.
हाँ, yes.
ठीक है. तो
Thank you. He's my friend.
I swear this has to stop, man. But no, Tabish Hashmi, Natasha Beg, you guys are absolutely wonderful. We're friends and they're just wonderful, wonderful artists, and I wish you guys the best of luck.
Hi Meera.
Hello Aisha, it's so good to see you.
It's so good to see you. Welcome back to Karachi.
Thank you.
And welcome back to the Lux Style Awards.
I know, it's all looking so fun.
Which Lux girl defines the brand the best for you? I mean, who's your favorite Lux girl?
So I think for me it would have to be Reema ji. उनकी जो softness है और जो historical उनकी जो एक जगह है ना, I think that's very precious. Yeah, for me it really takes me back.
Absolutely. Reema ji is definitely my favorite.
Yeah.
And whose performance are you looking forward to today?
Ehsan Khan. Yeah.
Now let's come to your gorgeous outfit.
Thank you.
I know that you're wearing Hussain Rehar.
Yeah.
Because मैं भी Hussain Rehar का ही outfit पहनी हुई हूँ.
I'm glad you're also looking amazing, Aisha.
Thank you.
I mean, Aisha is the style icon. और अभी जब मैं आई थी तो मेरा बाल ठीक कर रही थी, so I'm very grateful to have you here on the stage with me.
Well, good luck and have a great, great night.
Thank you. And I'll bump into you in a second.
And now I have the super talented, the nightingale of our country. I'm a babe.
Oh my God.
How are you feeling? आपने Anthem 20th Lux Style Awards का गाया है. How did that feel?
Honestly speaking, I was craving for such an event because it's just been so long since we've done something like this. So I was literally craving for it, and I'm honored because I'm performing with a bunch of my own buddies,
your colleagues, your fraternity,
yeah, and my favorite actresses. Obviously, you're also part of it.
Thank you.
Meera ji. There's many other. So I feel pretty leveraged and honored.
कितने Lux Style Awards attend किए हैं तुमने?
This is probably my fourth, and
Your fourth.
I wasn't actually. I am nominated. I didn't know that. Yeah, but I feel like the credit this time goes to the composers entirely because OSTs तो सारे वो deserve करते हैं ना. But I am extremely thankful because that Lux thought that I am capable enough for receiving an award, which was huge for me, and I never thought in a million years that I would ever receive an award like that. So I just feel overwhelmed and honored.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, so you're here at LSA 2021, the 20th anniversary program. What would you like to say, dude? It's such a milestone for LSA.
I think it's amazing and it's wonderful that they've been able to pull this off.
Yeah.
And I wish them all the luck.
I think the fact that we have an award show like this, which we can be proud of and say, yeah, this is our every year for years to come.
Yeah, I feel they need to add more trends and they need to we need to evolve with time as well.
Absolutely.
So I think they've done that. They've been doing that for quite some time. So I hope, let's see.
Harim Farooq, always a pleasure, dude.
Same here.
Good luck with everything you do.
Thank you.